Welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and today in this video I will show you how you can get your sales triple 10x sales you can get, and after that I will tell you will not require any landing page in this video. I will tell you each and everything. I have implemented all methods for Digistore24 and I got results. I will show you my earnings as well. Make sure to watch complete video to understand. If you are stuck to selling Digistore24 products, this video is actually for you. If you are new and you don't know about Digistore24, so I will tell you that Digistore24 means you can promote different products to different platforms and you will get commission as an affiliate marketer. First of all, you will just need to click over here, register now. You will fill up the form, simple fill up the form, username, email address, password, name, company address, very simple, phone number, Skype ID. You can get Skype ID absolutely free within 3 minutes. So after that, after creating the account, you will go to the marketplace and you will select some product to promote different platforms. I will show you. Actually, first you will go to the YouTube channel. Go there. If you didn't subscribe this channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and then click on playlist. After that, you will see over here Digistore24 free tutorials playlist in the channel, right? So go and watch this. But here in this video, I will show you how you can promote your Digistore24 affiliate products without landing page, and I have earned $750 in the past 15 days actually. So make sure to watch this video complete. After signing, guys, you will just need to go to click over the marketplace and then here are the lists. So I will select some list and you can promote product. Simple. So first of all, I will show you the products so you can promote these products, and then after that I will come to the method. So here you can see this software. So you will click over here the softwares, and after that you can see over here you can get 225 commission after selling this software product. Okay, so second, you can promote this type of product. $94 you can get after one sale, and you can get $59 after selling this product, and $77 for this one, and $252 for this product. These are the software, and you can promote these digital products absolutely free. You will require no landing page. I will show you each and everything in this video how you can promote these products, and after that, if you get just one sale in a week, you can earn $1,000 per month after selling 4 products. So guys, here you can see my earnings, $750 this week for Digistore24. After that, you will go to the website Clutch. Clutch is a website where many companies, top advertising agencies, marketing companies, over here you can click over here on other categories. You can select IT and services and solutions. For example, I'm going to click over here and then I will click over the IT services. So here you can get list of the companies, the software companies, digital marketing companies, different companies you can find over here, and you can sell your products direct to the companies, because software companies, digital marketing companies, different companies require softwares and different tools. So you can target them, you can sell them, and you can earn $200 to $300 per sale. Over here I will, for example, going to click over here global technology partner. This is just a random example. I'm going to click over here. For example, the side is here. You will go to the down, you will go to the in the bottom, you will go to the actually in here, and after that you can see email ID, or you will click over here on contact us, or you can contact from Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or different social handles. You will click over there, you can get their email address, you can tell them, you can give them solutions, you can give them softwares. They will buy it, because every digital marketing company, every software company, every company requires tools and softwares, because it's actually need. So I have clicked the second website. You can easily go to the contact, click on the contact, and after that you can directly promote your products to these companies. For example, I am a potential vendor or offering. You can select over here digital tools, promotions, services, general inquiries. So you can select digital tools, you can select promotions, but you can select digital tools. Then you will write your name over here, your last name over here, your email address, your message. How you can get your message, I'll show you in this video. So for example, we are going to actually promoting this product. First of all, go to the sales page, click over here. After that, you will go to the sales page from Digistore24, and after that you can see over here the different text over here. You can match the text, and you can little bit creativity, you can get little bit creativity in the text, and you can make an superb message and email as well. I will show you how you can send your email over in this video. So after that, guys, you can select any website, 3, 2, 5, 10 websites from Clutch, and directly you can send email. I will copy over from here, and then I'm going to my Gmail, and then simply I will paste the email here, and after that you will write something eye-catchy in a subject. I can't even write over here, because I don't know which product you are gonna promote, so that will be a confusion. I will not write over here, and after that you can simply paste the your simply email over here. Okay, so this is the random example which I have written over here. You can simply find which product you are going to promote. You can simply make an email, and you will put subject, and then you will put your affiliate link over here. Simple, very simple. And after that, simply if the person, if the company, if the any individual or company click there, buy there, you can get commission. So after pasting the link, you will just need to click on send, and your email will be sent. And you can send different 5 emails, 10 emails, 12 emails per day. So make sure while emailing anyone, don't try to spam. Your email should be very good. You don't need to do spamming. You can give services as like affiliate marketer, so easily and simply you can earn. So make sure while promoting your products or emailing anyone, don't try to spamming again and again. Simply you can give them services, you can give them solution. You will find their you will find their problem, and you will give them solution through your product. So simply you will add an email that this is very amazing, this is the problem, this is the solution of your problem, I have found this thing, that thing, simply. So I cannot say over here that which type of email you can send, because I don't know which product you are going to promote through after watching this video. So hope this video will become a very helpful for you. I have got so many results after this method, so I thought that to discuss with you, share with you, because I want you to make more sales, more and more sales than me. So thank you very much. If you have any question, you can ask me in comments. Take care and goodbye.